So here's a full video tour. Here's a full-on video tour of Brett Lockwood's Thomas display at Loma Avenue. This is on display every December. For any Thomas fan, I highly recommend coming and seeing this. Thomas's wheels move there. And he's also a bubble-blowing Thomas and a movie projector at the same time. Don't know if you can see it, but he plays a movie. In this year, it's a Muppets movie. Also has a Santa sleigh car. And in Clarabelle here, he has there's a little model train of Lego running around. And if I go to Clarabelle here, there's a little H.O. Thomas running around. And Brett, who's the amazing guy who owns this display, he actually let me blow Thomas's whistle, which I didn't even know he could do, so cheers Brett, thanks a lot. There's a little Railway Winston in there, if you can see him, there he is. And there's a little guy I've been seeing every year for like 4 years now. There's a Lego display again. Now, in addition to Thomas, we have some other things. We have a little snowman kind of thing here. Some video, some like little displays in there. Have a little Dancy Santa in there. Some Lego stuff in there. And then there's this video that displays how Thomas is built. There's a giant animatronic Santa there that dances and sings "We Wish You Merry Christmas." And then there's this little Christmas Coca-Cola thingamajig that just goes around. Little Coca-Cola train with Annie Clarabelle there that just keeps going around. And yeah, for any Thomas fan, I highly recommend coming to see this guy. Loma Avenue, in Vale. Thomas the Tank Engine Christmas display. Love you, Brett.